everyone! I have been waiting an entire year to post this unboxing. I received this scarf as a gift last Valentine's Day, but didn't have enough time to post it last year, so I'm posting it now in honor of Valentine's Day next week. This is a special edition Brides to Gala scarf, and it comes in the famous heart-shaped box. And this type of a box is a must-have for any HERMES collector. I love this scarf because it has hearts on it, and I'll tell you my small little secret. I have my own Valentine. It's my baby boy. He was born on February 14th, so I have a special meaning for this special holiday. I believe there are more than one design of this scarf. One scarf has a navy blue border. My scarf has a white border. To tell you the truth, I really liked the box, and I wanted to have this box, and I knew that this scarf was designed in limited quantities and it will be sold out very quickly. This scarf is 90 by 90 centimeters and the color is orange. I hope you like it. Please let me know what do you think about this scarf and leave a comment, and if you wish, like the video, subscribe. I will be very excited to answer all your questions, and see you later. Thank you so much for watching.